Welcome back to Abodecor, your go-to channel for seasonal home decor inspiration where nature meets style in the most effortless way. Today, we're diving into a calming and organic theme, decorating your home using pine cones, lush greenery, and fragrant eucalyptus to create a serene, nature-infused atmosphere in every room. Whether you're refreshing your space for the season or simply craving a more grounded aesthetic, this video has something for you. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Abodecor for more inspiring home styling ideas. Give this video a thumbs up if you love nature-inspired decor, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite natural element to decorate with. Your support really helps us grow and bring you even more creative content. Now, let's explore how you can bring the outdoors in and transform your home into a peaceful, nature-inspired sanctuary using simple, beautiful elements. Let's get started. The living room is often the heart of the home, making it the perfect place to start incorporating natural elements. Begin with a statement centerpiece. Arrange pine cones in a wooden bowl or tray, paired with eucalyptus sprigs for a fresh, calming look that instantly elevates your coffee table. Layer in greenery through throw pillows with botanical prints, or by adding a garland of faux or real eucalyptus along your mantel. This adds softness and visual interest while maintaining a cohesive, natural theme throughout the space. To complete the look, consider adding woven textures like baskets or jute rugs. These earthy materials complement pine cones and greenery beautifully, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. Bring a breath of fresh air into your kitchen by incorporating eucalyptus and greenery into your everyday decor. A simple bundle of eucalyptus tied with twine and hung near a window or open shelf can instantly brighten the space. Pine cones can also find a home here. Display them in glass jars or mix them with seasonal fruits like lemons or apples for a charming rustic centerpiece on your kitchen island or dining table. Don't forget about functionality. Use small herb pots or greenery near your cooking area. Not only do they enhance the aesthetic, but they also bring life and freshness into your daily routine. Transform your bedroom into a tranquil retreat by incorporating soft greenery and subtle natural accents. A eucalyptus wreath above your bed or a few sprigs tucked into a bedside vase can create a calming focal point. Use pine cones sparingly here, perhaps in a decorative tray on your nightstand or dresser. Pair them with candles or soft lighting to enhance the cozy, restful vibe of the room. Choose bedding in neutral tones and natural fabrics like linen or cotton. These elements work harmoniously with your nature-inspired decor, promoting relaxation and a deeper sense of calm. Your bathroom can become a spa-like oasis with the addition of eucalyptus and greenery. Hang a bundle of eucalyptus from your shower head. When the steam rises, it releases a refreshing, soothing aroma. Add small touches like pine cones in a decorative dish or a tray with candles and greenery on your countertop. These simple additions can elevate the entire feel of the space without overwhelming it. Keep the color palette light and airy. Whites, soft greens, and natural wood tones will enhance the clean, refreshing atmosphere you're aiming to create. Make a lasting first impression by styling your entryway with natural elements. A wreath made of eucalyptus and pine cones on your front door sets the tone for what's inside, welcoming and grounded in nature. Inside, place a small console table with a vase of greenery and a bowl of pine cones. This not only looks beautiful, but also creates a cohesive transition from the outdoors to your interior space. Add a mirror and a few woven baskets for storage and texture. These elements enhance both functionality and style, making your entryway both practical and visually appealing. Thank you so much for joining us on this nature-inspired home styling journey. We hope you feel inspired to bring the beauty of pine cones, greenery, and eucalyptus into every corner of your home. These simple elements can truly transform your space into a peaceful, inviting haven. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Abodecor for more seasonal decor ideas. Give us a like to show your support, and leave a comment sharing how you incorporate nature into your home. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep creating, keep styling, and keep bringing nature into your home. See you in the next video.